this is a question relating to AMGM. So it asks, for x greater than 1, what is the minimum value of 3x plus 7 over the square root of x minus 1? And what is the corresponding value of x there? Okay, so first we can recall what AMGM is. So AMGM says that the mean of things is always greater than the square root of the multiply. At least this is AMGM for two variables. So what we can do is we can use this in this format to help us in this question. I've just multiplied by 2 there. So let's take the expression 3x plus 7 over the square root of x minus 1. Let's transform it a little bit. So we can turn it into 3x minus 3 over square root of x minus 1. Because we know that, for example, x minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1 is obviously the square root of x minus 1. So if we put a 3 here, we get a 3. And this thing is actually the same as this. So this is equal to 3 root x minus 1. But obviously, we can't just change that immediately. That would be cheating. We would have to then add another term, because this top, we can't just turn it from plus 7 to minus 3. But we can subtract 3 and add back the 10. Okay, so now with this result over here, we can simplify this into 3 root x minus 1 plus 10 root x minus 1. So we have just simplified this original expression and turned it into this. This form will help us to put it into AMGM, because if you multiply these two terms, then the square root parts cancel. These will cancel if you multiply them. So now, let's apply this to AMGM. So 3 root x minus 1 plus 10 over the square root of x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 times the square root of their product, which is 30. So now at this point, we know that the minimum value should be 2 root 30 because this expression must be greater than or equal to 2 root 30. If it has to be greater than or equal to the number, that value is the minimum it can attain. So now we have to find the corresponding value of x. With AMGM, these two terms will be equal. So 3 root x minus 1 equals 10 over root x minus 1. They will be equal at the minimum. So now we multiply them. 3x minus 1 equals 10. 3x minus 3 equals 10. 3x equals 13. And lastly, x equals 13 over 3. And if we'd like to, we can check back by plugging this into the original expression. So quiet. So we find that when we plug in 13 over 3 as x into the original expression, we do in fact get the minimum value.